try this lure from Antis. Antis, yeah. Same thing with the one we're using. Okay. Yeah, let's put on our gloves. Okay. Our leggings. Nice dogs. Go. Get inside the bag. Do it. All right. Okay. Okay. Do it, baby. We're right here back up of the 13 fishermen. Smells weird over there. Oh, very low, huh? Oh, there's a crab. What that? Lead crab. Let's try right here. Oh boy. First. What that? Oh. Yeah. There's a kelp right there. Okay, go. Oh, what? What? Come on, boy. What? Oh, it's not hooking up. It's not hooking up, boy. Hey guys, we have a follower or subscriber asking what are the lures that I'm using, and how do we tie our lures to our lines. Okay, so shout out to Lee Villagomez there. So the lures that I'm using is 5 grams. There you go. For ultralight, for catching emperor, and a small size of trevally. So this lure is a ghost minnow shrimp, or they call like this, that one in Philippines. There, different all these colors of light minnows there. Okay, I have here this one. This is from Philippines, and I have it customized. As you can see, there's like Ilocano at the bottom. Customized lures. There you go. Yeah, I have a few of these lures that I have it customized in Philippines. Here you go. Yeah, these are the lures that I'm using. I'm using 12 LB Baribas Shock Leader. This is fluorocarbon, and J Daiwa J Fluoro Leader. made in Japan. Yeah. So only these lures I'm using for ultralight. And this is the hook that I just bought from tackle store. It's size 12 for replacing these hooks to our what do you call these lures there. Okay, with regards to our tying of lines, I use the Albright knot, or whichever knot that is easy to make when you're in fishing session. Sometimes I use the just simple knot, just an emergency knot. That as long as you're comfortable with your knot and you're sure that it's not gonna snap when you catch a big one, so it's fine. And then in tying our lure, I use the small clip for light tackle or ultralight. This one is a clip. I only tie it like it's a loop knot. Most of the knots I'm using are I'm watching it at YouTube. There. It's only a simple loop knot from the clip to my leader. There you go, just like that. I hope you like the video, and thank you very much for your support. Livilio Gomez. Alright, thank you for your support, and hope you continue supporting me and watching my video. Right on. Woo! Mm.